In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use this Photoshop Mockup, which has an embedded Adobe Illustrator file in it in two areas. And this will be the final phase of your project. So when I open up this in Photoshop, let's take a look. I've only got open from Window. I've opened up Properties and Layers. If you make sure you're seeing all the layers, pull this down. The areas in this file that have layers that you're going to be actually making edits on are assigned a red color. So let's start from the top. Click on that layer, get into your Type tool. You can get to it by clicking on the letter T or just hitting the letter T on your keyboard. You're going to hover over here and you're going to change, instead of designed by your name here, you'll be highlighting this and putting your name there. Once you get done with that, you'll move to the next layer. And here's a little tip. If you're not sure what actually is happening in that layer, just hide it and wake it up again. And there you go. So this layer has an embedded AI file, which you're going to be editing. So how that works is you just, while you're in this layer, go up here to Properties and click Edit Contents. And it will give you this little warning, discard changes. Just let this happen. Don't click the other button. Click OK, and now you're going to see that it's opening up this embedded Adobe Illustrator file. This looks identical to the file that you had where you put in your final AI design. But what we're going to do now is this is embedded. This is not your file. This is an embedded AI file. The top and bottom layers are locked, and keep them locked to get into this layer. And the first thing you're going to do is do Command or Control A. And that selects all the contents in that layer that you've selected and delete it. So now you're seeing it's got this background layer, which is set to not print, and the stamp frame. So keep those locked. And now you're going to open up your design. So I'm just going to demo this. I'm going to open up what I believe is, let's see, I have it here, a demo file. This is what I have. So I'm going to say this is your design. This is an existing sort of crude version of an existing design. So this is your file. So get into this layer. You have all your beautiful design. Make sure nothing is locked in this layer. Command or Control A, like Apple, gets all the content in there. Command or Control on a PC. So you've copied, I'm sorry, I'm doing Command or Control C. Okay, so you've copied it. And now let's close that down. And now you're back to this embedded AI file, and you just want to Command or Control V. You're going to paste that in and scoot it over so it's sitting in that frame. And now here's the most important thing. You need to save this embedded file, because if you don't save it, Photoshop will not detect that there has been an edit made to that. So you can go File, Save, or you can also do Command or Control S, same thing. And now close this file. Close it, and you will see, if we get back to Photoshop, that it has updated this. Now it looks like it didn't quite move it down all the way. I want to go back and check on that. Edit Contents, and see, I didn't really scoot it all the way in place, so I needed to move it down a little bit. And then again, I'm going to save my work. Go up here to File, Save, or Command or Control S. Now you can close the file and go back here, and it's updated. So now the last thing you need to do is you need to click on this layer where it's actually been reduced and tipped, and it's got a little bit of a drop shadow on it. I'll enlarge a little bit. It's got a little bit of a drop shadow on it to make it look like it's actually sitting on and pasted onto that envelope. Same thing, you're in that layer. Go to Edit Contents, click OK. And same thing, you want to get into this layer of this embedded. It's embedded. It's part of this Photoshop file. Click A, delete everything, and then I'm going to paste this one in again into this embedded Illustrator file. I'm going to scoot it into place. Looks good. Remember to save your work. I'm using my quick key, Command or Control S. You can go up here and save it. And I'll close this file down, which is quick key is Command or Control W. And now I'm going to wake up Photoshop again, and it's popped it in there. So now you have what you would give to a client, which is a presentation of your beautiful design shown at a large size with your name attached to the design, and also beneath it is this mock-up. Now to submit this, you want to go to File, and you want to save as, and you want to save it as a Photoshop PDF. And that is it. Save as PDF, and yes, and